Well, hey guys, Chuck, House of Mopar, welcome back. Gonna be trying something new today. That is the K-frame for the Storm. It is a 67 K-frame I got from Casus, which evidently are specific from 66 because the Pitman, the idler arm is different. So anyway, I've got Rustoleum gloss black. I'm gonna use some of this catalyst hardener that I got from Tractor Supply, or one of them, and reduce it with acetone. It's all new to me. I'm gonna go with 5-to-1. So whatever that's gonna be, that's what's gonna be. I have a hood for this blasting thing, but can't find it. Not surprised. It was kind of inadequate, but it worked. So I might as well just, I'm gonna tape up here, tape my pockets shut, probably put a respirator on because I'm using silica sand out there, and start blasting. This ought to be no fun, but the weather's right for it, and I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna suit up, meet you guys out there, and start blasting away. I'll be using this thing. This will be ruined when I'm done for sure, but yeah, I'll just have to minimize how much blast goes at my face. Okay, here we go. All right, let the fun begin. I'm gonna be blasting it this way so it goes in the woods. I'll show you a few clips. I imagine I got a couple hours ahead of me here. I don't know how many pounds of sand. It goes slow. Okay, got the mask on. Let's see how this goes. Oh, where's my... Can't wait. That actually went a whole lot faster than I expected. So this thing, I found a touch of turquoise on there. So they painted these guys, they're cast iron. They got painted entire engine color. If you remember, like later ones with the aluminum bell, you would see the correct thing would be to see overspray from the engine around there. But hell, they sure did have some orange paint on there. And I just got done talking to Clay Casus. Yeah, that Clay Casus, I should blow this off out here actually. About strengthening my K-frame. As you know, US Car Tool makes strengthening plates, gussets and whatnot. They sell you. I think it's not 1/4-inch steel, it's pretty thick stuff. I started, when I'm on the phone with him, I'm like, well, they used to race these things without doing anything, I'm sure. And he said, yeah, I'll be fine. So if that's your next question, it's one I've had, one that didn't come up till I'm standing here blasting. And yeah, no, it's not going to get strengthened. I saw this earlier. It's whatever. Here's factory Chrysler welds. Guess it wouldn't hurt to run beads along here. That might even be a little fun. But yeah, no, it's not perfect. There's a spot of shit. It's a K-frame. It's going to be under a car, and so yeah, that's as good as it's going to get. Anyway, let me move this mess, blow this stuff out, and I'll see you over there. All right. This can is low. Get some gloves on. Like I said, the can's low. I may just dump it all in. We're going 5 to 1. Okay. DD Speed Shop, you Canadian boys, he painted a car a few years ago doing this. I want something that's more durable. This is kind of an experiment. Putting a hardener in this stuff certainly helps. Rustoleum gloss black is just excellent anyway, but it does wear out because, like I said, I'm doing an experiment because when it comes time to do the stuff for the coronet, I plan on doing the axle, the front end pieces. I'm not going to pull the K-frame on it. Yeah. Okay, so we're going to 5 to 1. Let's just see where we end up here. Oh, hell. Oh, shoot. Seems that I have a skin on here. Oh, take forever for that gooey stuff to go through. All right, we're getting close here. Got acetone here. Did you guys see me write my name on the K-frame? I used to do that when I went sledding. Like I said, an experiment. I just read the directions. Says blah blah blah. Add 1 container to a gallon. Okay, we're not using a gallon. But then it says to let it set 20 to 30 minutes before application, undisturbed. I'm gonna see how it goes, boys. All right. Okay. Made a command decision. That stuff's almost at 20 minutes, but I thought maybe I'd spray the turquoise first. I still got to clean the gun before I go on, but yeah, I don't want to be spraying the black, you know, that might be residual, because I'm not going to do the greatest job of cleaning that gun. I'll spray some stuff through it and clean the cup out, but we're not getting stupid. All right, let's squirt her up, huh? Okay, we'll let that sit for a minute. I'll give her a couple more squirts and call it macaroni. Good enough. Good enough. Let that sit. I may get some hooks. Yeah, I got a lot left. That's the way it goes. This stuff's... I gotta hand it to him, guys. I've painted before with Bill here and talked to you guys about it. It's probably $50 a quart now. It's worth it. Worth every dime. Here we are. Mostly clean. My Harbor Freight gun. All right, I'll be back. All right, I waited 10 minutes. I was gonna wait 20 and squirt it again, but I'm impatient. So here we go. Well, let's see, I didn't look in here. Got a lot. Got a lot. There's a spider. What the hell? Come on, man. Okay. Got this hanging in here from up there. I don't know, the thing probably weighs 40 pounds. But it's that time of year where squirrels are eating stuff and it falls. Here's this. Yeah, I mean, that's a pain in the bell housing, right? So one other thing, Clay added, not only does he not strengthen his K-frames for racing, he took 13 pounds out of one, and it improved the launch for him. So there you go. There's the answer to strengthening that thing. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the morning on this. Okay.
Later that same evening.
Okay, I said I was going to wait till the next day. It is currently 6 o'clock, so it's about 6 hours after I finished this, maybe 7. So I've used extensively. I've used Rustoleum gloss black for a variety of things, in spray cans, and mostly in spray cans. I did the cornet's floor, right, in the belly. Well, it takes about, oh, I don't know, it takes a while. The next day it's still pretty tacky. 7 hours later, it's hardened up. Color me impressed. Okay, yeah, it's yeah, I could not have done this. In fact, the Bill Hirsch over here, well, it's hardened up too. Well, it's tacky. I did paint the back, so that's why that's tacky. I didn't want it rusting. Anyway, so yeah, success. I would suspect this will stay glossy a lot longer. It's not wet, it's just a piece of metal sticking up. Yeah, so okay. Right on, baby. Anyway, guys, yeah, that's just a shorty. I've been wanting to do this. You know, I've always wondered about Rustoleum and painting with it. And then I saw Dan there, DD Speed Shop. He had painted a whatever Tri-5 Chevy with it, red. Yeah, so, and buffed it and all that crap. So yeah, that stuff works. I don't think that it's gonna, you know, I used half a can for, you know, whatever I did here. That's what you can get this, I think, on Amazon as well. I don't know that this is going to be any good down the road, but I'm not throwing it away. Reduces dry time. Good. All right, guys. Yeah, just a short video. I figured I'm doing this deal out here today. I had an afternoon or a morning I could do this, and wanted to do it and show you what I find out. I think it's cool. Very cool. I was so happy this thing blasted up so easy. Man, you can spend hours sandblasting sometimes. I've got a better compressor now. That is a Harbor Freight sandblaster. I've had it for a very long time. When I had my little Craftsman compressor, man, you'd go through the sand. You just don't have the pressure or the, you know, the volume. And so you just blast tons of sand. I went through a bag, 80-pound bag of silica sand. But anyway, so yeah, I'm happy. Anyway, guys, thanks so much for coming along. We'll catch you on the next one. We'll see what that's going to be. See ya.